Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to get anything from free from g2a.com, specifically gift cards, because we want gift cards because you can then sell them on Paxful for Bitcoin. But anyways, first thing to do is install TemperMonkey. You just Google it and go download here. I've already got it installed, so yep. So you can use Google Chrome or you can use Microsoft Edge for this, anything that you can put an extension on. So let's go to our TemperMonkey extension and create a new script. So what you want to do is get the script from the link in the description in the video, or from the PDF file on my Telegram channel. Copy the script from here, and then we'll go back to TemperMonkey and just paste it in there and go File, Save. Okay, now that we've got our script running, we can now head over to G2A and let's buy a couple $100 Amazon gift cards. Let's buy a couple of these. So when you do this method, you have to place an order over 0.002 Bitcoin. Otherwise, BitPay won't recognize it as a priority transaction and you won't get your refund, but you will still get your gift cards. Okay, so let's add a couple of these in, and then put your email address in here if you haven't already, and then go continue to payment. Select Bitcoin, BitPay, and click continue. And then you should get G2A section expired enabled. Press OK to continue. If you don't get this message, it means that you have to go back and make sure you've done all the steps correctly. So go pay with BitPay. Now just copy the address and let's head over to our exchange. So in this wallet I've got pretty much the exact amount we need for the transaction. So let's go withdrawal, Bitcoin, continue, and add the address. Every exchange is different, but on this one I have to add the address, put G2A. You can use any exchange or wallet, by the way, to transfer, it doesn't matter. So now let's go, what am I doing? Go withdrawal again, and then, so how much does it want us to, 0.49, $0.0049, but we'll go 51 to compensate. So there's 0.005. There's a 00. Okay, so this is the transaction fee. There's a 0.0005 transaction fee. So you have to do a little bit above the amount that you want. And once done, click continue, put in your password, get your codes, and then click confirm. Withdrawal request submitted. Okay, now let's go back to the G2A Pay. And basically we just need to wait for 3 confirmations, and then we will get the refund, and we'll get the codes for the gift card sent to our email. So I'll be back. Okay, so after 3 confirmations, you will get this message saying transaction set to processing, which is what we want. Now all that we need to do is go check if we've got our refund. Yep, so as you can see, we've got the withdrawal of 0.0051 Bitcoin, and then our deposit back of the same amount from BitPay. Now let's go have a look and see if we've got the emails yet. Alright, yep, here they are from G2A. Let's go check one out. And if all done correctly, then you should have your card code as well. But anyways, that's all for the tutorial. The main things you need to remember is that it has to be over 0.002 Bitcoin. It has to be a little bit more, otherwise, again, BitPay won't recognize it as a priority transaction. And the second thing is make sure you have the updated script. Don't use the old one, make sure it's updated. And that's all. Let me know if you have any questions. You can DM me on Telegram at D2Carter or Kevin Isles. Anyways, see ya.